Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaila Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 3, Growth and Depreciation, that was asked in SE 2080 by Gandaki Province. And in this question, it is given that in 2077 BS, there were 1000 students in a school. Please keep in mind that the year is 2077. A rule that a group of 100 students should bring 10 new students for enrollment was imposed to increase the number of students. That means every 100 students must bring 10 new students. In question number A, we are asked that what is the rate of annual growth of students to increase the number of students. So we are asked rate, here it is, and for that we will use this statement and convert this into percentage, and that will be our rate. For question number B, we are asked that what was the number of students in school in 2079 BS. So we have given 2079 BS. From this we can calculate time. We are given the initial number of students. We will calculate R from question number 1, and then we can calculate PT for 2079. It is quite easy. And for the question number C, we are asked that will the total number of students of the school be 1600 in 2082 BS. It is quite similar to question number B. In question number B, we were given time of 2 years, but in question number C, there will be 5 years of time. It is because 2082 minus 2077 is equals to 5 years. Okay, so we are given time. We will have rate from question number A. We will have number of students, initial number of students from the question. Now we can calculate PT using formula. Now we will solve this question, but before that we will first revise our formula. Here the formula for growth is PT is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 power T. PT is the population after T years. In question number B it was 2 years, and in question number C it will be 5 years. The P is initial number of population. Here we have initial number of students, that is 1000. We have R equals to rate of population growth. We will calculate in question number A, and that will be our rate. And here the time will be 2 years or 5 years based on the question. So this will be the formula that we will use for the question. Now let's start with the solution. Let's write down what is given. So given, we are given that the number of students in 2077 BS is 1000. So initial number of students, we will write it as P is equals to 1000. The second one is the statement, then we will not write it as given. So we will move on to question number A, and we will read the question again. What is the rate of annual growth of students to increase number of students? According to the question, 100 students should bring 10 new students. Full stop. So the rate is 10 students per 100 students. So the rate is 10 divided by 100, that is 0.1, and to convert it into percentage we will multiply it by 100%. So multiplied by 100 it will become 10%. So the rate of annual growth of students to increase the number of students is 10% per annum. It is not mentioned that the student will increase per year, but we have write per annum. It is because the new admission will take only one time in a year, so that we can write per annum. So we have solved the question number A. If there is any confusion, you can ask me in comment section. Now moving on to question number B. What is asked is that what was the number of students in the school in 2079 BS? Find it. So for 2079 BS, initial number of students, that is P is equals to 1000 time T is equals to present time, that is 2079 minus the time where there was initial number of students of 1000, that is 2077. So it basically is that we need to subtract the past year from recent year, so that gives us 2 years. We have P, we have T, now we have rate. R is equals to 10%. So the number of students in 2079 BS, we will denote it as PT, is formula PT is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 power T. Putting value, we have PT is equals to P, we have P is equals to 1000, 1 plus we have R is equals to 10% upon 100 power, we have time T is equals to 2 years, is equals to 1000, 1 plus 10 upon 100 is equals to 0.1 power 2 is equals to 1000, 1.1 power 2 is equals to 1000 times 1.21, that is 1210. So the number of students in the school in 2079 BS will be to 1210. Like this, we have solved question number B. And moving to question number C, the question have asked that will the total number of students of the school be 1600 in 2082 BS? For 2082 BS, initial number of students P is equals to 1000 time T is equals to, in question number B we have subtracted 2077 from 2079, but for question number C we are given 2082 BS, so we will subtract 2077 from 2082 BS, and that gives us 5 years. We have P, we have T. Now rate R is equals to 10%. We have calculated that from question number A. Now the total number of students in 2082 BS, we will write it as PT, is we will write formula pt is equals to p 1 plus r upon 100 power t. We have p is equals to 1000, 1 plus we have r is equals to 10 upon 100, we have time is equals to 5 years, is equals to 1000, 1 plus 0.1 power 5 is equals to 1000 times 1.1 power 5 is equals to 1000 times 1.61051, and multiplying that it will be 1610.51. In question number C, we are asked that will the total number of students in the school be 1600, and it is after calculating we find out that the number of students will be more than 1600. So we can write that the total number of students of the school will be more than 1600 in 2082 be yes based on our calculations. So we have solved this question. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in comment section. We will upload this video on both TikTok and YouTube as well. I will be active on both of these platforms, so you can ask me, message me, whatever you can do. With this, I will end this video. Thank you for watching the whole video, and best of luck for your exam. Bye bye.